having some fresh tomatoes from our garden where we produce probably about 90% of our food, along with the meat and the fish that we have on our homestead. We just wanted to wish you a happy Dependence Day for all you folks out there waiting for the government and relying on the system to supply you with your needs. Happy Dependence Day, while I let the chickens out who supply us with meat and eggs and hours of entertainment. Hello, Mr. Rooster. Hello, guineas. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Dependence Day! Standing in front of our apple orchard where we have also on our property blackberries, blueberries, elderberries, strawberries, all kinds of other fruit that we eat in season so we can be healthier and eat local and be self-sufficient. Happy Dependence Day! As I grab water out of my hydrant where we collect 3,000 gallons of rainwater and utilize it all over our house, from brushing our teeth to showering to watering our garden. Happy Dependence Day! Standing outside of our shower that we made, it's all gravity fed, collects rainwater, doesn't have any power, no pumps, and no problem. Happy Dependence Day! Right now I'm sitting in front of our root cellar dig out that we're building a root cellar so we can store our own crops, our own vegetables, and our own bounty that we get from the garden that we grow to sustain our lives. Oh, and that log cabin, I built it in 90 days from wood from the forest. Welcome to Dependence Day. Today we celebrate independence across this great nation, but a large majority of people live in total dependence. Dependence on the government, dependence on the systems. If you were to look up the word independence, you would see things like self-sufficiency, self-rule, home rule, self-sufficient, resilient. All the things that our forefathers founded this country on. They could never in a million years imagine that we have developed a system that depends and relies on government for handouts. So as you celebrate Independence Day and we think about all of our forefathers that went before us, please consider taking more control of your own life. This message was brought to you by Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, where we teach self-reliance, self-accountability, and determination. Don't forget, you can always check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Be safe out there.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.